Good afternoon, LeetCode enthusiasts. Today we are solving question 525, contiguous array. Given a binary array nums, return the maximum length of a contiguous subarray with an equal number of 0 and 1s. So this is another prefix sum question. And the way we calculate the prefix sum in this question is going to be a little different. When we come across a 0, we want to subtract 1 from the prefix sum, and when we come across a 1, we want to add 1 to the prefix sum. And we also want to store every prefix sum in a hash map or a dictionary along with the index. And then when we come across a prefix sum that we've already seen before, that lets us know that there is a equal number of 0 and 1s. And when we do that, when we come across a prefix sum that we've seen before, aka a prefix sum that's in the hash map, we want to take the index of the stored prefix sum and find the difference from the current index and the old index. And that would give us the maximum length of a contiguous subarray. So on a seen prefix sum, find the difference of current index and old index. And then when we find the difference, we just want to have a champ variable or a champion variable, which is the max of the old champ value and the difference that we just calculated. And the runtime would be a O of n time solution, and the space is O of n because we have a hash map that we store every prefix sum in. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm missing anything. Oh, we also want to initialize our prefix sum as 0 and set it to the index of -1, because we can't set it to the index of 0 because at the index of 0 we have this 0 here, for example, and that would make the prefix -1. So we're going to initialize the prefix over here, and we're going to set that index to -1. Okay, so let's initialize our prefix sum. So our prefix is 0, and our hash map is going to be a prefix of 0 at the index of -1. So for n index n in enumerate nums, for index n in enumerate nums, if n, so if the element is a 1, then we will add 1 to the prefix, else prefix minus equal 1. So now we updated the prefix. Now we need to store every prefix in a hash map along with the index. So if prefix in not in hash map, that means we haven't seen it before, then we could just store it. So we'll set it to the index, else. So if we have seen it before, then we need to find the difference, which is the current index subtracted by the old index. So this is the difference. And then we have to store a champ variable. So champ is just the max of champ and the difference that we just found. And then we could just return our answer champ. Okay. And that is the solution. Awesome. Thank you for tuning in. I hope my explanation kind of made sense. See you in the next one. Peace out.